Welcome back, coders. Today's video topic is how to add image hover effect using only HTML and CSS. First of all, let's take a quick look at the final results. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a unique heading with an animated background. The main topic of this video is creating round-shaped images with a special hover effect. When a user hovers over an image, it will move up and change the background color, adding an interactive and eye-catching touch to your website. So without diving into the complexity, let's start the code. First, we'll create the main section for our content. Within that section, we'll add a heading. And to style the word team, we'll put it in a span tag. Next, we'll create a division for our team members. Now, let's start by creating the first division for first team member. Inside this division, we'll have another division called circle. Within the circle division, there will be one more division called image. To add more team members, we'll simply copy and paste the entire member division. The HTML code is complete. Now let's move on to the CSS. Let's start by writing the basic CSS code and setting the width and height of the page. We'll then focus on the section where we'll adjust the width, height, and position. To style the section, we'll add a background color, border radius, and padding. Using the display property set to flex for proper alignment. For the heading, we'll change the color to transparent and add a text stroke. To create the background of the heading, we'll use the before selector. For the word team, we'll change the color and apply the text stroke properties to the span tag. Next, we'll set the width and change the display property to flex for the members to be correctly positioned. To create the circle, we'll define the width and height. Change the background color, this is temporary, and we'll customize it for each member later. Add a border with a border radius for a circular shape. We'll now create a separate background for the member's image, adjusting its width, height, and position. To add the image, we'll use the after selector, and before that, we'll also set the width, height, and position for the image element itself. For each member, we'll add a different image and set some background properties. Just to give you an idea of what's coming up, I'll change the background color of the image and add distinct radius to the top and bottom borders. To keep the image inside the circle, we'll use the overflow property and hide the background of the image. Now let's create the background for the section. I'm using an image to make the video shorter, but you can also use pure CSS to achieve the same effect. To animate the background, we'll use the CSS animation property, specifically by changing the background position. Next, we'll customize the background color of each member by adjusting the color of the circle. On hover, we'll darken the color for an interactive effect. To make the hover smoother, we'll add the transition property. Also, I'll unhide the image background again to show you how we'll animate the members' images. In simple terms, we'll change the background height of the image on hover. Adding the transition property will slow down the hover effect, making it look more polished, and don't forget to hide the image background. Congratulations! The image hover effect is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more exciting content. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey, and I'll see you next time.